Students, you all know the importance of art, of painting in our lives. That's why so many competitions are organized. Actually, art is a medium of giving expression of one's feelings.
Thank you to celebrating my birthday. My name is Angel. I study in 8th standard. I want to become an engineer. Thank you.
इसकी समृद्धि और विविध संस्कृति पर हमें गर्व है। हम इसके स्वतंत्रकारी बनने का प्रयत्न सदा करते रहेंगे
और सबके साथ शिष्टता का व्यवहार करेंगे। हम अपने माता पिता शिक्षकों एवं गुरुजनों का सदा आदर करेंगे। हम अपने देश और देशवासियों के प्रति वफादार रहने की प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं। उनके कल्याण और समृद्धि में ही हमारा सुख निहित है। जय हिंद। दल विश्व विचार।
Good morning to one and all present here. Today's thought is, the capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. Learning is an inherent quality to acquire new knowledge, understanding, skills, and values which continues till the end of life. I repeat my thought. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines. So first of all, some international news.
World food crisis expected to ease as Russia-Ukraine sign deal with UN, Turkey says. Major crackdown in Sri Lanka, protest camps cleared out in Colombo. Blinken, US Secretary of State, praises India for providing medicines to US during COVID-19 outbreak. Russian gas flow likely to resume at previous level, German pipeline manager. Ranil Wickremesinghe is appointed as new president of Sri Lanka. Now some national news.
Draupadi Murmu, the NDA's presidential candidate, was elected president, defeating opposition candidate Yashwant Sinha, and will take oath as 15th president on July 25. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has assured Congress President Sonia Gandhi that Trinamool Congress will support any common candidate of opposition parties for vice presidential elections. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) on Friday announced the result of Class 10th board examination. The overall pass percentage increased by 3.3 percentage points in the comparison to pre-pandemic year 2019. The country's third case of monkeypox, a zoonotic viral disease, was reported on Friday in Kerala. Now some sports news.
Neeraj Chopra aims to shatter 90-meter barrier at World Championship. Tejaswin Sankar to compete in Commonwealth Games entry cleared by Commonwealth Games Federation on request of Indian Olympic Association. Indian women's cricket primed for successful Commonwealth Games debut, but will it help ICC's Olympic pitch? Nitya wins gold, Bhagat Singh off with silver at 4, Nations Para Badminton International. Now some business news.
Asian stock markets were on course for their best week in months, and dollar held off recent record highs. Oil prices were roughly unchanged in early trading on Friday after sliding around 3% in previous session. The euro headed for its best week since May after the central bank raised borrowing cost more than expected in its first rate hike since 2011. Now some state news.
Himachal Pradesh government set up anti-narcotic task force. Horticulture Produce Marketing and Processing Corporation (HPMC) to sell 50 lakh cartons. Apple growers calls it a gimmick. Himachal CM opens electronic voting machine (EVM) voter verified paper audit trial (VVPAT) warehouse at Bilaspur. The Executive Council of Himachal Pradesh University decided to make entrance test mandatory for all PhD seats, including supernumerary seats. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. Today's new word is mesmerize. That means to hold somebody's attention completely. Sometimes you can mesmerize anyone you meet with your cultured attitude and outlook. Thank you.
Students, you all know the importance of art, of painting in our lives. That's why so many competitions are organized. Actually, art is a medium of giving expression of one's feelings. So many emotions are going on in our mind, and it is an expression of that only. It is said that if in the mind of every artist there is a masterpiece. And you know very well, children, that in our Vidyalaya also there is one such artist. Any guesswork, children? Yes, your respected sir, art sir, Mr. Kamal Kishore. He has made a portrait of our honorable worthy principal sir. So I request him to kindly come on stage and present him his portrait, Kamal sir. I request all the teachers also to kindly come on the stage. So you can see, children, that the portrait is here. Through this portrait, he has given expression to his innermost feelings, maybe the feeling of gratitude towards our torchbearer.
हमें गुणवत्ता की तरफ आगे पहुंचना है। तो आप लोगों को बहुत समय हो गया इस पठन पाठन में, इस टीचिंग में, तो आपको सब पता है कि कैसे हमें आगे बढ़ना है। हर साल अलग अलग तरह के कुछ बच्चे आते हैं जिन्हें निखारने के लिए अलग से मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। तो मैं चाहता हूं अब से ही आप वो शुरू करें और बहुत अच्छा परिणाम हो। पूरे हमीरपुर में हर किसी की एक इच्छा हो, हर अभिभावक की, कि केंद्रीय विद्यालय हमीरपुर में मेरे बच्चे के कैसे ना कैसे दाखिला हो, कैसे ना कैसे एडमिशन हो। जिस दिन हम इस स्तर तक पहुंच गए, समझो वो दक्षता, वो निपुणता हमने हासिल कर ली। इसके साथ मैं कमल सर का बहुत धन्यवादी हूँ। ये लगाव बताता है, एक प्यार बताता है, एक भाईचारा बताता है, एक आदर बताता है कि उन्होंने मेरा एक पोर्ट्रेट बनाया। और ये पोर्ट्रेट नहीं है, ये जैसा मैडम ने कहा कि हर कोई आर्ट जो है उसमें बहुत सारी भावनाएं छुपी होती हैं। तो ये भावनाओं का एक संग्रह है, भावनाओं का एक समूह है जो कहीं ना कहीं इस पोर्ट्रेट में, इस छाया चित्र में छिपा हुआ है। तो कमल सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।